The numbers on your module will turn yellow. In this state, you won't receive any additional luggage items while you make your way to the checkroom counter. Simultaneously, all of your numbers are already being displayed on our TV screen. Because guests wait in the pooling area for their number to be displayed, there should be very few people actually in front of the checkroom counter, and you should be able to distribute your items pretty quickly. Make sure to retrieve the ID slip from the guest, tear the other ID slip half off the coat hanger, and throw both of them away. This prevents random ID slips from laying around and causing confusion. Hand out the luggage, including the hangers, and ask guests to deposit the hangers into their respective bags at the exit. This saves your time and keeps the space on the counter free. Now is the right time to confirm on your module for the second time. Your luggage will be registered as done and vanish from the TV screen. Please resist the urge to confirm any earlier, because you might receive new luggage IDs instantly and you will cause delays if you're still busy handing out the old luggage.